Embajador de Reino na Washington, Henry Schreiber, estava dating Primeiro-Ministro e Mike Mann como seu invitado na festa de celebração do Dia de Rei semana passada. Junto com Schreiber a discutir algum tópico, maneira hecho com o Embajador de Reino e com Seita Nifica, com o Embajador de Holanda e também de Islândia caribense do Reino. Además de um contexto nessa aqui, estava interessante para explorar a posição de liderança que a Aruba está tomando em assuntos de sustentabilidade e meio ambiente. Embajada de Reino na Washington quer dar a Aruba atenção riba essa aqui para seguir depois para outra isla do Caribe.
Much discussed the special position that Aruba has in the environment field, in the greening of the Caribbean, and I think that Aruba has a leading role, and Prime Minister Eamon wants to play that and wants to talk with institutions here about that, a leading role in greening of the island and making the island carbon neutral by 2020. Aruba is a smaller island, so when you're smaller you have to jump higher, and we would love to, together with the representative of Aruba here in the embassy, to jump as high as possible and get that interest, and I think that's also why the visit of your Prime Minister, the Prime Minister of Aruba, was so important. Because he's a Prime Minister, gets more attention, opens doors for us which we can follow up and say, hey, look at this island, look at what they are doing. This is a prime example. Show on this island what you can do, and then you can branch out to the rest of the Caribbean. We are, as a kingdom with 4 parts, we are more than what everybody thinks Holland in Europe. We have a part in the Caribbean, and that's important. If you see what's happening now at the moment with the United States, what's happening in their policy vis-à-vis Cuba, vis-à-vis the Caribbean, I can go into the Ministry of State, the Department of State, and say, look, we are an interesting partner for you because we are more than European, we are also part Caribbean, and please talk with us about Caribbean affairs, and they are willing to do so.
Aruba está concentrando atenção para um hub entre o continente europeu e latino-americano. E o que o embajador estava mais claro indicando que o que a América está buscando é lugar seguro e estável, onde não saco, não lohanha, bom serviço. Esta que era a combinação de Holanda e certa forma de estabilidade que essa aqui está trazendo, además de Isla Caribense, é ponto importante hora de vender e desejo aqui. Aruba por assim uso dessa aqui mostra sua conexão com o como isla.